We took a hot air balloon ride with Pagosa Adventures in Pagosa Springs in January of 2026. You first meet up at their office and then they shuttle you to the launch site. We got to watch them blow up the balloon with the hot air, which was kind of cool to see. And they have several photographers there while all that's happening to take photos that you can buy at the end of the trip if you want. There were two different groups, and the first group took off, and then we followed their balloon to their landing site. And as you can see, there were several other balloons behind us that were setting up and also taking off. Our guides were in touch with each other through walkie-talkies the whole time, so we met the first group where they landed, and then it was our group's turn.
Oh man.
Does the coil design help bring the propane to combustion temperature?
We flew over the Pagosa Lakes area of Pagosa Springs.
A little better. This is what we're supposed to use around here. The funnest pack out is a helicopter ride out of the wilderness.
Oh goodness.
Here, I'll go this way. And I've only done that once. We used to take off from this church. Pagosa area traffic. There's a fungus among us, that's all I know. Do you see, can you turn the back on?
Those things that are by this side. Yeah.
Yeah, the BLD over there.
We live in this.
Okay. This balloon is rated for 60 people, but that's it. Making situation where you're trying to switch in the middle of something.
I'll swap your sides.
lower than right here.
We flew for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we looked for a landing spot, which was dependent on where the wind took us.
Hang on, I'm going to run out there and drag you over here with me.
I don't think you need to. We're flying on.
You just said you're flying on?
10-4. We are flying on.
Feel that layer of cold right here at the treetop. More left rudder.
Yeah, left rudder, that's right.
So it is maybe, if I can.
And the chasers in the van followed us to where they thought we'd land and ended up having to change their spot a little to where we actually landed. Our guides really had to find a good spot where they could also lay the balloon out flat once we landed.
Alright, big bump. Big bump. Bump. Okay, let go of that. Hey. Not quite.
This is our water first.
And at one point, several of us jumped out of the basket so they could more easily maneuver their balloon to where it could be easiest to land and roll out the big hot air balloon.
It together later.
Yeah, just let the air fall out.
Alright, come on. You just. I think he's by himself, isn't he? So he's by himself.
So it was a fun adventure and a great way to see Pagosa Springs from a different perspective.